currency. And I've been thinking about her all the time. I never seen somebody put together perfectly. What would I have to do to call you mine? Someone like you is so hard to find. You can open up your eyes or you can walk in blind. All I ask is that you hurry, I won't hurt you, don't you worry. Listen to me, I'ma set you free. He ain't gonna break your heart again. Go through the worst to reach the ecstasy. When your imagination's on pretend. I never thought that it would feel this way. You never taught me how to heal the pain. I wish you caught me on a different day, when it was easier to be happy. Just a little taste and you know she got you. Can you hide away? Can you hide away? Sound of silence as they all just watch you. I kinda find it strange how the times have changed. I wish we could go and be free once, baby, you and me. We could change the world forever and never come back again. Let's leave it all in the review. Let's leave it all in the review, girl. You don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. And a broken heart, girl, if you can. I don't expect you to be capable. You got the world right in your hands. That responsibility is unescapable. I promise that I'll be a different man. Please, give me the chance to go and live again. I'm having some trouble, can you give a hand? It seems perfection really is so unattainable. Don't even say you about to end it all. Your life precious, ain't a need to go and kill yourself. I'm not so sure that there's an end at all. I wish the truth would just reveal itself. Who do you call to make it to the top? And who do you call to make the shooting stop? And who do you call to give the coupe a wash? After everything I did, I think I'm still myself. Just a little taste and you know she got you. Can you hide away? Can you hide away? Sound of silence as they all just watch you. I kinda find it strange how the times have changed. I wish we could go and be free once.